More than 1.3 billion people worldwide live with a disability.
That means that 1 of 6 people is affected. Accessibility is not a niche issue, it affects all of us.
But what does accessibility really mean? Accessibility means that all people, regardless of physical, mental, or linguistic limitations, can participate in social life on an equal and self-determined basis. When people think of accessibility, they often picture elevators, ramps, and accessible restrooms, but accessibility is equally important in the digital world. Blind and visually impaired people often face barriers online. For people with motor impairments, many websites are difficult or even impossible to use as they often rely solely on mouse interaction. Deaf and hard of hearing people can easily lose access to content when it is presented only through audio. That is why we ensure that all our digital media are designed to be accessible and continuously work to make them even more inclusive.
Together, we can create a world where everyone can participate.